You ain't got no chicken wings. Ay, pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Ay, trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Ay, I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at your talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you bend things. Liquidity sweep, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. End of day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generational kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time is your time, it's always time. That's right. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money and let's get our steps in. Let's go. Crypto bubbles. I'm gonna say hi to the chat in just a second. Crypto bubbles on the daily. Some up, some down. Are you in longs or are you in shorts? Let's go to the hourly time frame. We have M up 12.3% on the daily. And that's it for the double digits. For the downside, nothing too crazy. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Whoa. We got World Liberty 5. Boo. Up 0.9% on the hourly. Pump up 2.5%. Boo. And nothing too crazy. Let's look at the fear and greed index. It was 6 yesterday. It's at 7. Up 1%, or up 1 number. Liquidations heat map. Gonna do this on the 24-hour time frame. Reducing the threshold from 0.85 to 0.5 thanks to our good buddy Al in JR's Discord. If you're not there, recommend you get there, and fast too, because it's free. And we're actually doing live trading in there. We got into a live trade a few minutes ago. So if you're not there, recommend you get there. Let's say hi to the chat really quick. The first one in, D Not You, putting in the first like. Very nice. To one of my favorites. Well, D Not You, guess what? Yeah, you're my favorite. You smash the like first and comment first. I love it. We got Strager Heart in the house. We got Sin. See here, Steve Hickey in the house as well. Hindi Go-Go, what's going on, my friend? What's going on? Newbie Crypto in the house. And then here, I can catch up. Let's see here, left off here. Newbie Crypto, Steve Hickey, what's going on, Steve? Appreciate you guys very much. Newbie Crypto says the shorts paid off last night into the morning. Let's freaking go. Let's go. I love it. Making that money. If you made money, guys, if you made money with Newbie Crypto or with me or anybody, put 7s or 3s or whatever they say in the chat. Let's go. That's right. Steve Hickey says, hit the like, guys. Support the chicken wings. Let's go. Floki's Angels in the house. What's up, Floki's Angels? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. You're going to... What? Melissa, one love. It's going to be a great show. It's going to be a great show, guys. Appreciate you. See here, Newbie Crypto says, I'm in a scalp long and still holding my short from above. So it's hedge trading. Let's go. Took some profits early this morning. Nicely done. Nicely done. Wow, Extreme Fear. Yeah. Extreme Fear. I slept so much today. Today, I was planning on doing some housework. It doesn't really need it, but I like the house smelling like Fabuloso and bleach. But maybe Monday. We'll see. See here. Oh yeah, today was good. Today was really good. A lot of talking with my ex-neighbor. Ate some really good steaks and just kicking back. Fellowshipping. I love it. Here, going to the list. What? Crypto Changed Me in the house. Crypto Changed Me actually told us about this button right here. So, from in my opinion, I feel smarter. Instead of being a noob, having it this color, boring. We have it this color. Ooh, sexy. So, just to let you know. Let's move this over. 0.5. Joe, he drunk. I'm walking here, guys. I'm doing my steps. Okay, there we go. Let's see here. Sugarheart says, are we at 0 yet? No kidding, right? Let's see here. Had to recharge my batteries. Yes. Long week. DJing. Let's go. Let's friggin' go. See here. Yeah. The Discord's fire. It really is. And we're in there. We're trading. We're doing some of the good stuff. Of course, you know, in my VIP group, I'm putting the trades in there. The ones that are too degen-y, I'm putting trades in there and just being safer in my group. But for degen type of stuff, for me anyway, my style of trading, doing it in that Discord. Here. I should have shorted that meme coin. Meet Damien was longing. Oh, how did that one go? What was that coin called? I forgot what it was. Let me know so we can look at it. I love the trading lounge in the Discord. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't do Discord. Yeah. For me, don't get me started. I don't like Discord. Or don't. Telegram's where to go. But I'm in there for Piper Academy, really, and JR's Discord. All right, 24-hour time frame. 0.5 on the liquidation or liquidity threshold. We got the check mark here so we can look smart and fancy. Liquidations to the top and bottom, more to the bottom. Like a lot to the bottom. But we're right in the middle. I don't like it when we're right in the middle. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Ah, crap. This thing again. Okay, so that's all we can see. Boring. I forgot I have to like log in now. I don't understand that. But that's all we see. Let's see here. Let's come over here to, what am I doing? let's go here. Do this right now. I'm thinking we're gonna pull back to here, and we did. Let's see if now we can come up, or if we roll over. If we roll over, we break below this zone for clash. Not good. This is our zone. Give you a heads up. Let us look at Bitcoin, but not on the 3 minute. That's craziness. Let's look at it on the 12-hour. So I made some videos today. Made quite a few videos today for my group, even though I wouldn't consider it a day off, but I did take several hours away from the computer screen. Just, you know, eating some really good steak. Okay, I said it. Ribeyes are delicious. Anyway, so let's look at the 1 hour time frame, and let's take off all this junk so we can see what we're looking at in a little bit clearer. So this morning, I made a video for my VIP group. Oh my gosh. We got the cats running around. Cats are going crazy. And basically what it was, if we break this is why we trade level by level. If we break this level, more than likely we're gonna look for longs. We can even long Bitcoin to potentially this area up here. Oh, my computer's going really slow, or trading view, to all these anchored VWAPs. Or even here, really, 78, possibly 81-ish area. However, if we break below 67,972, we're gonna look for shorts. And we potentially we're going to enter a short, but because the candle did not close underneath the specific level, no trade was taken. Now, granted, I entered the trade because it's just a little bit more aggressive. I entered that trade as a short. Right now, I am in the negative. However, for the group, the instructions were if the candle closed underneath a certain level, to enter. So hopefully they did not, and they waited. Again, every trader is different, and that's what a lot of trading groups, they just post the way they would trade. For me, I post a safer entry and aggressive entry. Yellow circles are aggressive, white circles are safer. But here I have a white circle here saying long. If we break above this on the 1 hour, very important, 1 hour candle must close above this level. If we close below this level, then this means a short. Then we short, and the shorts more than likely will play out very, very nicely. All right. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. Let me know. And guys, you're running around. Let me know. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, hopefully you get out of that short soon, bro. We might go to 73K. Let's go. I hope so. I think we're in 2 or 3 longs and then 1 short, but I have a stop loss. 1 short that was posted if a certain thing happened, if it closed underneath a certain level. It went right to it too, and it bounced up. But I have my stop loss, so we'll see. We shall see what happens. Let's see here. You saying 73? Let me look. Okay. So I'm hoping we go to at least to 382, which would be 74.5. But I would love, absolutely love, for us to go to 0.5 on the fib, which would be 79. And you're saying 73? Very conservative. I think we'll go up a little bit more if we go up. I think we'll go up a little bit more. But your level, of course, will hit before my levels. So very nice, very nice. But I do think we have a potential of coming up here to like right around 79, maybe a little bit before it. And then if we do come up here, then these VWAPs will come really close to it. And then if we go a little bit higher, we may get wicked, and then this. So this is still my plan A, to potentially we go up to roll over. Now, granted, this was my plan when we were here. I thought we were going to come up to here and then roll over and we just rolled over. Then when we were here, I thought we were going to come up to here and roll over. And again, completely wrong. We just rolled over. Now here, I'm thinking go up to roll over. We'll see if maybe we just go straight down again. But I mean, we've gone nothing but down. So I would think that we would go up and then possibly roll over or break the pivot. And so this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the pivots. Pivots are where it's at. It's where it's at. Now let's see here. Discord is fun, bro. Like everything that we do in Discord, it can be done in Telegram. However, you could do more. Well, we don't have sound effects, but we don't need to pay for all the stuff that Discord makes you pay for. I don't think we have sound effects. I'm pretty sure we don't. But Telegram is adding new features that's kind of copying Discord. It's like, oh, boring. So I don't know. I haven't really messed with it. But you can do screen shares. You can do voice chats. You can do way longer videos. Like I post. There was a video this morning. The first video was 15 minutes this morning. Can I do that on Discord? Nope. Not even close. I'd have to pay like a lot of money. And I don't even think that goes up to 15 minutes. But on Discord, on Telegram, I can do it. And if I wanted to, I could actually post that in the free one too. But I don't think I did the free one today. But I did a lot of videos. 15 minutes, first one, then 5 minutes, and then like a couple, I think like 3-minute videos, I think. I'm not too sure. I recorded a lot of videos. It's like, it's too long. Let me record it again. It's a lot of thought process. But if you have coins you want me to do, let me know. So here, Degeneration X in the house. He's also in JR's Discord. So here, you're not muted in Discord. Oh well. So you, oh man, I'm sorry. Yeah, mute me on Discord, guys. I'm sorry. I completely forgot. Sorry about that. So here, record your video on YouTube, then post the link on Discord. I know, but that's too much work. I was doing that, where I would record the video, and then I'd put on. So you have to record the video first, then you have to upload it to YouTube, and then that takes several minutes. Then you have to get the link and then put it in Discord, or you can just post it to Discord, which is one step versus several steps to put. So I don't, especially if the Discord's free. I'm like, yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate you. See here. So I do think potentially we go up, but like I said, I thought this here and here completely wrong. 100% wrong. Let's go. What is this coin? Doge. We're looking at Doge. And 12 hour. So that must have been training or potentially my thought process. But I didn't like how this was looking. SPX. Oh, so SPX. Holy smokes. Crypto Caveman, you have now just become my favorite. Thank you, man, for subscribing. You're the best and my favorite. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. But SPX, I was looking at this one. I think the potential of it coming down, very great. However, the risk reward's not there. Do I think it's going to go down more than 7%? Yes. But I'd be risking 9% for my first target of 7%, and I can't do it. So what I would have to do is wait to see it do something like this, where it comes down, comes up, comes down, and then now what I can do is I can put my stop loss here, and then my first target would be down here. So I have to wait to see if this in fact is going to potentially play out the way I think it might. If so, then I move all this stuff. But right now I can't enter it because the risk reward's not there. What's this other one? WTI, this is oil. So this one, me and Damien was talking about yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I like it. I like it a lot. You know, it had a really nice pullback into the golden pocket. I know a lot of traders, they think that the 61865 is the golden pocket. The goalpost has been moved. It used to be, and is for me, 0.5618. So I consider the 61865 the golden pocket plus, also known as the hot pocket. Hot pocket. Gotta say it like that. And right now, it's in this liquidity zone, also reversal zone or rejection area. And could we get rejected? Sure. But once we break out, or once we break the 0.5 level, I think it'd be great. Let's go. Moon mission. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with oil, gold, silver, other precious metals. And this is more of an investment, not financial advice. More an investment than, you know, a couple day trade. Especially with stocks, you gotta hold them for a long time, in my opinion. So here, Dusty Hunt says, Jason Casper, you look better. Ha 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 ha. Dude, Jason Casper, man, he's really the inspiration for me doing the stepper. And of course, I call the treadmill the stepper with the stand-up desk. Truly my inspiration. I've mentioned it a few times on his shows, but he's got so many comments he doesn't see it. But truly my inspiration. Dude is super fit, everything. And I'm not doing it to lose weight. However, it seems to be a side effect of stepping. But I'm doing it so that I don't gain more weight. Because these past 5 years, man, I have gained a lot of weight. Average about 10 pounds a year. 5 years, do the math. That's almost like 7. That's a lot of weight. Joe, are you really thinking? That would be really bad. That would be bad. Let's see here. But the lag makes it an old kung fu movie when your lips. That's funny. Bitcoin is about to moon. Let's go. Moon mission for Bitcoin. Tons of buy orders are coming in. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Unless sellers step up out of nowhere. We'll see. Hopefully it goes up. You know, just to give the market a breather. But if you're making money, take, not financial advice, take profits, not financial advice. We got Wixwife Fine 89 in the house. What's up, Wixwife? Appreciate you being here. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are the best. I love you guys. I really do. And thank you for coming along the journey on the stepper. Let's go. To here. Newbie Crypto says, I don't really trade like Jason Casper, but dude is my favorite trader. I've watched him a few times. I think he's a great trader. I should watch him more. I think he's a great trader. I think he raps amazing, but I think he's a really great trader. Him, also Frankie Candles, great trader. Who else in that genre? I love Tom Crown. Tom Crown, I think like a bit easier to follow and understand. But I love all those three guys. Those three guys are really, really good. Hit the like button. Yes, please. And thank you. Yes, free Discord. I got a free Discord. Mainly in there, I post 40-second, because that's my limit, really. 40-second Bitcoin updates in there. So definitely check it out. But definitely join JR's Discord. We do live trading in there. And then, of course, my VIP group is where I post trades, updates, all that fun stuff. But that's only if you have money and you want to support the channel. If you have money, you don't want to support the channel, just watch the shows. That's the way of supporting. XRP, 1 hour time frame. We were here. I'm thinking potentially we might come down to here. I don't know. We came down to here. then potentially come up to here. I don't know. We came up to here. Then potentially come down. So we actually went down, perfect, up, perfect, down, perfect. Now my plan A is for us to break the pivots. Our plan A is to come down and break this pivot. Right now, we're gonna see if we do. I still think that we might. I'm about 83% sure that we might. How did I get that number? Just throwing it out of the air. But I think we might come down to potentially 1.33 and then potentially roll over. So to come down, come up, come down, try to come up and roll over. Do I think that we're gonna go to the moon for XRP? Not really. I think we're gonna, from here, continue this. So let us go ahead and update this. And there's sometimes where I'm spot on. You see it from here, down to here, up to here, down to here. This is one of the options, which I don't think will happen. This is the potential play. We'll do it like that. And that just means it's an update. But we'll have to do it from here. Which means that we continue this and then boop. We'll see. Meet Damien in the house. Meet Damien says that 21 EMA had been a problem for Bitcoin on the 4-hour. Let's go. So I don't have EMAs, but I do have SMAs. Oh, and I don't have the 21. Well, let's do an EMA. Let's go to indicators. Let's search EMA. The moving average exponential. Let's go. And oops, double click. Let's go. Oh, EMA. Okay. I prefer the 9, but we're going to do the 21. And a style. We're going to make this white and very thick. And we're going to take this off because we don't need that. This off because we don't need that. This off because we don't need that. Okay. So on the, you said 4 hour, right? Yeah, 4 hour. You can see on the EMA, it's currently acting as an area of resistance. Now, understand that this is a average. So it can cross it at any moment. And if it does, it could potentially serve as support. Here, we can see that it was serving as resistance because again, it's an average, but then the price broke above and it became support until it became resistance. So again, this is just an average of price action. It doesn't mean that it will find support or it will find resistance. It's just, you know, there's a chance that it may get either support or resistance because of the average, hence the name average. We went up, we came down, resistance, we came up, found it as support, then broke through it, found it as resistance, then underneath, staying underneath, broke above, but kind of underneath. So once we break above, hopefully the average will stay below the price action. And if it stays below the price action, due to the definition of average, the price action will be continuing to go up as long as the average is underneath it. Once the price breaks below the average, well, then that just means the price is coming down. Again, average. Oh, you said average. We can't do a drinking game with you and you saying average, because we be pooping our pants. Poop in the pants. Yes, very true. Very true. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, I'm a mix of Frankie Candles, Casper, and Alex O Crypto. There you go. There you go. Yeah, Alex O Crypto, extremely aggressive trader. Dude knows what he's doing though. He makes way more than he loses, and he does lose. You know, every trader loses. But with Alex O Crypto, if he loses, he gives reasons why he lost. Whether he entered too soon or whatever reason, but he does not, I repeat, does not make excuses. There's other traders that I watch, and if the trade goes the opposite way or if they lose, they start looking on multiple time frames for excuses. Alex O doesn't. The very first time I saw Alex O trade live, he lost, and he explained why. And I told him right away, and plus I've talked to him too. I said, dude, like, man, respect to you, brother. Like, you didn't look for excuses. Right then and there, you earned my respect. Now, granted, I'm not like a superstar or nothing like that. I'm just another trader. But he earned my respect because he did not, oh, well, nah. This is what happened, blah, blah. Or, hey, sometimes you win, you lose. Yeah, that's true. So here, Me Damien says, it's just now popping its head above it. Let's go. Let's go. Also, an NQ trader named Trader Drysdale. He honestly trades VWAP. I love the VWAP because it's an average and order flow and other great traders. Yeah. I haven't heard of him. One of my buddies, he turns me on to stock traders, and sometimes I used to just listen to them in the background as I'm doing my charting and everything else. And that's always a good thing to do, like listening to other traders, good traders, listening to other traders as you're doing stuff, because you absorb all that stuff. That's good. If I was to add any line to my chart, it would have to be the VWAP. Yeah. Same here. So whenever I trade, let's go to this. Whenever I trade, my VWAP is very important. My moving averages are important as well. And then that's pretty much what I use. The VWAP for sure. And basically it just shows me momentum. I'm a momentum trader. So if the price is above the VWAP, it's good. If it's below it, not so good. If it's really below it, hopefully price will come up to the average. Doesn't mean that it has to, because price can continue coming down. And how many times have you been staring at the VWAP and the VWAP is way up here, and then all of a sudden it boom comes all the way down to the average of the current candles. So again, if it's above, good. Below, not so good. Same thing with the moving averages. But I use the 9 white, 30 orange, 50 red, and the 200 is yellow. And see here, Me Gaming says people love it when you're honest as a trader. Yeah, it's very difficult to find honest traders. Very difficult. Most traders, and Alex O, he has something to sell you, his Discord. But most traders, they have something to sell you, so they will maybe not be dishonest, but they may show you certain things to make them look better than they really are, so they can get another paid membership. And that's what they do. That's their business, get paid memberships. And Alex O, like I said, he shows you wins, losses, straightforward. And so for me personally, that's like, dude is showing what he does versus, other traders where they won't show you too much so you can pay them. But Alex O, and I'm not saying that because, he gives me shout outs or nothing like that, and sometimes pushes people to me. I'm not saying it because of that. I'm saying because, like, all you gotta do is watch him. You watch him and you'll see. And he knows what he's doing too. There's other traders, price turns red, oh, they shorted. No reason besides it turned red. And they come down here and they're all super excited, blah, blah. And then they'll cash out, $1,000. But it's like, why did you enter the trade? Just because it turned red? No reasoning, no nothing. I see a lot of traders like that. And then they'll turn green. Okay, let's long it. And then they'll flip and it'll continue, keep on going down. And then, well, now they just lost $800. Ooh. Me Damien says, because we all lose. Triggers to keep the losers. Yeah. Very true. See here, Newbie Crypto says, if you train mostly VWAP, if you trade mostly VWAP, you should check out Drysdale. He kind of trades like Alexo Crypto. He scalps a 2-minute chart. The strategy can also be used for swing trades. There you go. Now, one thing, like there's several different ways of trading. Like if you do not, I repeat, if you do not want to learn how to trade, you could use any of these strategies. So let's go ahead and hide this. For example, if you want to the VWAP, I really wouldn't use the VWAP. Let me see. I've never tried the VWAP. I've always done like the moving averages. Let's go 12 hour. Go 4 hour. What I'm trying to do is see. No. Okay. Maybe on the hourly. But I wouldn't even recommend that. So what I was going to say, there's strategies that I teach, which this is like if you don't want to trade or learn how to trade, you could just use, take off the VWAP, take off that one. No. Depending on what you want to do, it's a 200 SMA. And you go to a higher time frame. Very easy. Price above the 200 SMA on the daily, you enter long. If it breaks below, you close your long, you enter short. Moves away from it, you could take some profit or just see if it continues going, which I'd recommend taking profit. Breaks above, close your short, enter long. Eventually, it's going to find a way. It's going to either stay going up or stay going down. Very easy. And once it goes to, let's say 5%, 20%, whatever, take some profit. Then it closes underneath it, close your long, open a short. Then it breaks above it, close your short, open a long. This is no trading, no learning, no nothing. Just two rules. Breaks above, closes, you enter long. Breaks below, closes, you enter short. Eventually, it's going to go one way. Eventually. And that's no trading thousands of hours to learn this strategy. It's just, you just do it. Eventually, it's going to go one way. You can do it on the 50. You can do it on the 200. But I wouldn't recommend doing anything smaller than that because you'll be going in and out of trades like a lot. See ya. Yeah. Me Damon says, I've gained, followed from losing and not making an excuse for it. Yeah. Very true. Like I said, I mean, we lose. Nothing wrong with losing. And the main thing is like, why did we lose? Was our stop loss too tight? Did we enter too aggressively? Should we have possibly waited for an extra confirmation? And it's not so much looking for excuses, but it's finding reasons. So the next time we take that trade that's a little bit more risky, we know, hey, I might get stopped out, but if I enter now, because of the increased risk, increased reward. So, oh yeah. Okay. Oh, you gain followers? Yeah. From losing. Yeah. Newbie Crypto says, Joe, I thought you were gonna show the scamming cup and handy. No scamming cup and handies here. No, thank you. No thanks. We'll put this bad boy on. Okay. And we'll hide this. Let's see here. XRP. I do think we're gonna come down. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Well, let me know. Right now, we're doing our steps. Oh, so I found out another thing today in JR's Discord. XAU is tradable 24 hours. XAUT, which is Tether Gold, it only trades during the stock market, to my understanding. Same thing with silver, XAG, only trades during. And it was funny too, on my group this morning, because I did a 15-minute video, I said, yeah, for XAG, I'm not liking it. It's just going sideways. The candles are super small. I think it's going to dump to, you know, this price and blah, blah. Granted, this is silver. I mean, this is gold, but I was talking about silver at the time. And then today I found out that they don't trade on the weekend. Like, oh, noob. It's all learning. It's all learning. So we talked about this one, where it might come for this liquidity. We may go up and then take it. We did not go up. We just took it. Not looking strong. Or Litecoin. Not looking strong. I might look for this one for a short. Maybe the next day. Maybe. We'll see. Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid. From here, I thought we were going to come up. To do this, to come up. We ended up coming up. Oh, man. Dang it. Is it here? I was in this short. And I ended up closing my stop in profit. And then I stopped looking at it because I'm working on something else. And I thought I was going to go up. I think it was Hyperliquid. I got to double check that when I get off of here. See here, SPX. Oh, we talked about that one already. Oh, let me see. Okay. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know. Zcash. What's going on with Zcash? Keeps on coming down. Had a really nice run up. I thought we were going to bounce here. No, wait. I'm sorry. Was it here? What time frame? This is a daily? No. I thought we were going to bounce here. Yeah, I use this for my zone. Nope. No luck. And I made a video right before the dump, not knowing about the dump, but just potentially coming down 35%, and it went more than 35. It went about 60%. But in the video, I talk about 35%. And then a few hours later, boom, dump. Did I enter the trade? The short? No. I was in other trades. You're not going to catch them all. You're not going to catch them all. Aerodrome Finance, not looking strong. Looks like it wants to roll over as well. Do me a favor, guys. We're losing people. Put a 1 in the chat if you are still here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are still here. But Aerodrome Finance, not looking strong. Not at all. Man, I love Aerodrome Finance too. Thinking about shorting this bad boy. But if Newbie Crypto is correct, we may go up on Bitcoin. If we go up on Bitcoin, there's a very strong chance these coins will also go up. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's see here. Andy Go says, I'm sitting here, man. Got 1 in the chat. Sugarheart says, maybe here. Newbie Crypto with the 3s. 333. Let's freaking go. STL Coin with the 1. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. If you're not a member, or not a member, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. See Sin. Very nice. Thank you, my friend. With the bingos and the bangles as well. So here on this channel, what we do is we show you how to successfully trade without the tuition. So you don't need to pay. We teach you. Here's the concept for free. And all we ask is you smash the like. Join us every day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. We do this. We go over your coins, Bitcoin, thought process. I'm more of a thought process type of guy where I show you what I think might happen. Then the next day, we review what actually did happen. There's a lot of traders out there that'll show you how you could have made money, what you should have done, how you could have entered after the fact. Anybody can do that. But showing you how the price might go and then reviewing it, sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't. For example, Aerodrome Finance, not looking strong, in my opinion. I'm thinking potentially, let's get rid of all this junk. 17 drawings, get out of here. I'm thinking potentially we could do something like this, where the price comes down to here, maybe comes up, comes down, more than likely takes this, and then more than likely does something like this, and then maybe a bounce up. Maybe. So what will we be looking at if we entered here, which is much riskier, 3%. Now, if you wanted to be safer, you could do 7%, depending on your leverage. Let's see here. For my first target, it would roughly be right here, about almost a 1-on-1. So this is doable. And then my second target would be, let's zip it right here. So almost a 2-to-1, but not quite. Now a safer entry, this is yellow, so my aggressive entries are yellow. My safer entry are white. Now the safer entry will be just to wait. You know, you're only waiting like 3%. And that 3% could save you from getting stopped out. Yeah, 3%. Bingo bangles in the chat, guys. Bingo bangles in the chat. Nailed it. Nailed it. But price, come down, come up, come down, break this pivot, safer entry. And then, of course, you put your stop above your pivot. But for me, this is too much. I'm going to put my stop right here. So now this looks way better, way more better. You were on Crypto Coin Mindset on Friday, you would get that reference. So this will be a setup. Now this setup will be a complete failure if Bitcoin goes up. And I believe my thought process was Bitcoin was going to go up. Let me just double check. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get back to this. Move it all the way to the end. I do think Bitcoin's going to go up. But it's right in the middle too. So it's like a 50-50 shot. 50-50 shot. I'm going to go for it. I'm gonna go for it. There you go. Let's go. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna actually get into this trade and then do a short. So I'm gonna enter right now. Oh, hold on. So 1 hour time frame, 15-minute. Let me put on my cheat sheet. So we are underneath our white, our 200 as well. Wow. Underneath the 200, which is the yellow. Underneath everything. So not looking strong. Plus all of these showing extreme level on the weakness. On the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, all that fun stuff. So I am going to do a short and I'm going to add to my short. What's the percentage? 1%. It's not even worth it. Unless I was doing high leverage. Now the price may come up about 1% before continuing rollover. So if we do come up, I'm thinking about here to continue down. If that's the case, I can move my stop loss a little bit lower. But just in case it comes up, just to take out these shorts, I'll leave it here. Right now it's underneath all that junk. So let's take off our cheat sheet. Everything off. Yep. And let's go ahead and, so I can see. So I'm gonna be at the other computer. Stop loss. Okay, so I will be right back. Let me go ahead and put this trade in. Drone Finance. Okay. Loading up Aerodrome Finance. Okay, we're gonna do a short. Stop loss 33.29. Into the trade. Knowing that it could come up 1%. Okay, so I put my limit order. Give me just a few more moments. I'm actually gonna put another entry at 32.61. 32.61, same stop loss, 33.29. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Okay, short, firm. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it on the computer. Just to show you. So far my limit order has not hit yet because price is underneath my limit. Should hit it any moment now. And this was the almost. I don't think it's gonna hit it. So I'm waiting a few more seconds. Yo, you're killing me here. I know. Trying to get in. My entry is at 27 and the price is at 23. We'll see if it hits. So I'm coming back. Okay. So I'm coming back. I don't know if it hit or not. But oh, where is it at? Aerodrome Finance, YouTube. I put it on here. Oh, here it is. So my entry is at 27, price is at 23, and it's going down. It's going down. Let's go. Let's go. B Team Crypto in the house. What's up, B Team Crypto? Appreciate you, man, being here. Thank you for smashing the like. Lost a lot of people during that, yeah, shorty. So I'm at stop loss here. Target's down here. Let's see. What are you shorting? Aerodrome Finance. It's right here. Aerodrome Finance. Let's see here. We are in a buy zone for Aero. I'd be careful. Yeah, so I'm looking for a 6% pullback, possibly a 10. We'll see. We shall see. Let's see if I get my entry, or if he just moves without me, or if we go to the moon, and if we do, I get stopped out. Not financial advice, of course. See here, I would enter short on arrow where you have your stop loss. LOL. Possible. We'll see. We'll see what happens. See what happens. So this is an aggressive entry. It's yellow because we could come up, come down, and then continue going up. Stop me out. But in my opinion, I'm not looking strong. Looking for a potential rollover. So if we do move up, I'm looking for about a 1% move up. And hopefully my entry will hit, which is at 27. And then potentially rolling over, breaking this pivot, coming after this pivot, and then after this. But if Bitcoin goes up, then we could lose. And right now it's at 50-50. I want Bitcoin to come up, but it's literally a 50-50 right now. 50-50. We'll see. See here, Me Damien says, did you see the bull versus bear debate between me and Porky? No. Ah, dang it. Oh, I had it loaded up, and then I was gonna watch it after the show that you mentioned. Dang it, I need to do it. I need to. Oh man, I feel so bad. It's been, what, a week? I forgot to. Like that day I put on my thing and I forgot what I did. But I need to do it. And you said it's on your channel too. Let's see here. Let's see here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Meet Damien. Hey Damien, get some videos. Newbie Crypto says, I might actually go long on Arrow. I just looked at the charts. Awesome. So long Arrow, I'm going to short Arrow. Hopefully my entry hits. And then tomorrow we can see who got what. Who got what. Let's see here. Was it on a live stream? I forgot where I saw it at. Where did I find it? 2 weeks ago? Man, that's embarrassing. And was it only in this format? I think so, because you're doing TikTok. I believe it was. Report it. No, share it. That's what I was looking for. There you go. So everybody smash the like on this and leave comments. Not just one, but watch it. It's an hour long. Watch it. Leave a comment or two. Ask questions. All the good stuff. That's really embarrassing. 2 weeks now. Sorry, but I will definitely watch it tonight. Tonight. And if I don't, remind me tomorrow. No, but I will watch it. And you'll see I'll leave comments too. And I'm not just gonna put a comment and then leave the video. I'll smash the like and I'll make comments on there. Newbie Crypto says there isn't a whole lot of volume right now. Very true. Very true. Vertical format. Okay. Man, come on. Give me the entry. Let's go. I'm at 27. It's at 23. It's staying at 23. TikTok. We did a TikTok studio. Yeah, I remember now that you did a TikTok thing. Let's see if it comes up. We shall see. We shall see. We're losing traders, Joe. We're losing viewers. Porky was the bull. That didn't pan out too well. That it didn't. Did not. Here we go. Let's go. Get our entry. Move two more. Let's go. So here's my entry at 27. Price was at 23. Currently it's at 25. Newbie Crypto says he's longing Aerodrome. I'm trying to short it. Tomorrow we will see what happens. Does it roll over or does it go to the moon? Stop me out. Find out tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Let's go. Oh, I got in. My entry should have hit. So let's see. Again, I'm expecting it to hopefully go up about 1% before rolling over. If it goes up more and it starts rolling over, there's a pretty good chance I will add to my entry. I like doing, especially if I think that it might go up, I do 2 entries. So one here, one potentially way up here if it goes up here, which I don't think it will, but who knows. And then if it does come down, well, then I may add to my entry. Listen. LOL, I didn't long it. There isn't enough volume for me to trade it. Well, hypothetically, let's just say you did, and we'll see tomorrow if you would have hypothetically won or if I would have got stopped out. We'll see. We shall see. Who's live right now? Oh, we have done the stepper for 57 minutes, traveled 0.95 miles. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. I love it. I love it. We're getting our steps in, trading crypto, looking at crypto, talking about the market, talking about all that stuff. LOL, sounds good. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's see here. So who is live right now? Go ahead and make this larger. Plus a lot of people. Lots and lots of people. Customization. Let's go to redirect. Who is live? Road Dog. Today's the 7th. Yep. Oh, Road Dog's going on. Let's do Trade Intuition Raid. Trade Intuition Raid. Show your support for another YouTuber. Smash the like. Let them know you're there. Trade Intuition Raid. Let's go. Me Gaming says, Newbie Crypto likes to counter trade people. Hey, sometimes he wins, sometimes he loses. Just like, me, sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. But tomorrow, we will find out. I would have won if I shorted the coin you shared yesterday. Me Gaming. I forgot what coin it was. But let's go to Road Dog. Show your support, smash the like, and trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you guys very much. We will see you on the next video. Until then, as always, manage your risk, have a stop loss, and use lower leverage if possible. Not financial advice. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's trade responsibly. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Now to find the off button. Oh, that was easy. Here it is. Found it.